So it's a week later. I have picked up some pieces I need. Got these little bolts for the hood. I've got a replacement latch panel to try. Apparently this is an original piece. Jim Cronin set me up. I'm going to cut that so I can fix that piece of floor there, make that a lot nicer. This side I've got more parallel, and I'm then going to press on with getting this floor welded up. I've got a patch to put in here. I've got that kick plate to do. Got a piece in here to do. Lots of work, lots of different things. So it's another week later, back at it. Going to grind down this weld at the back here, dress it underneath a little bit as well. I want to be getting that other side done and buttoned up. Going to be working on these floor pieces and just simply progressing on with the build. So where I cut out the fuel tank mount, I kind of a bit heavy-handed with the chisel, so I'm going to put a new piece in here. So I think I'm going to wrap the video up now. It's been, what, 3 visits on working on the truck. I kind of wanted to group them into one video because I don't think there was enough progress for one in any one of those sessions. But I've got these side returns nicely welded in, plug welded, both sides. Welded in a couple of patches here. Quite satisfying to use steel which I've cut out from the bulkhead from the firewall to do that. Leaving that one hole there for cabling, or I'll put a blank in it. I was hoping to get a little bit further today, but it's always how it is. So welding a flat floor 2mm thick into a GMC 51 GMC. There is a little bit of wave to it. I don't think you can get away from that, but there really isn't much. It's not really all that noticeable. These little pockets work quite well. I'm pleased with how they've turned out. I've got the side piece there and a side piece here to fabricate and put in. I think I'm going to redo that panel there, that piece of firewall. I had a quick go at welding that up on the other side, and it's thinned so much that I think I'm going to cut a portion of it out. I think I'm going to cut out a portion there and replace the whole thing. You know, like I say, I had a go at welding it up some. but I'll worry about that tomorrow. So this cylinder decided that it was going to leak all its contents. It was almost full when I finished last time, so I've had to go ahead and get one of these crappy little things, and I've had to sort of make something work there. I think it leaks a little bit,